Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of this two-part series of how to set up a WordPress website. Now hopefully you've watched part 1 where I direct you how to go through going to bluehost.com, selecting the domain name that you're after and selecting the plan that you want, and registering it all, filling out your details and your bank information, your card information, and going ahead with the purchase of the hosting. So once you've selected your domain, put in all the information that you need that Bluehost asks for, you will eventually come to a screen that looks something similar to this. Now this is your control panel. This is effectively it's inside Bluehost. This is where you can do everything. This is where you can manage your domain subscription. You can automatically renew it or arrange it so that it automatically renews in the future, so that you don't have to continuously remember to do it. And you can set up all sorts of things. All these options are available to you. Upgrades to your website, domain privacy, constant contact as an email provider, all sorts of things. But what you want to do, if we're talking about setting up a WordPress website now, you've purchased the hosting plan and you want to find the button that says one-click installs. Now this control panel does move around. They do shuffle where they put all of these things. So for the moment, obviously it's right at the top, one-click installs, but when you come to log in, it might be somewhere else. So wherever it is on the page, the icon might be slightly different, but you want to find the one that says one-click installs. Click that button and it will take you to the following page, where you can select the website builder that you want to use. Obviously this has 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, around 20, maybe 23, 24 different website builders. Obviously this video, for the purpose of this video, we're installing WordPress. It's what I use on my website. webtoolninja.com is a WordPress website. Generally, I think originally at least WordPress was a blogging platform, but the functionality of it has improved dramatically and it is great for a more standard kind of static website. It's very versatile, lots of options, great things you can do with it, and reasonably easy. There is a bit of a learning curve to getting the best out of a WordPress website, but it's relatively straightforward. So to pick WordPress, click the WordPress button. Now you can have, and I assume these are automatic, or you can ask Bluehost to do the install for you. Obviously there's some more serious money involved, $100, $250 or $400 for them to do it for you. However, it is very simple. So across the top here, WordPress version 4.7, click the button that says install. Now, which domain would you like to install to? I'll select Webtool Ninja. Obviously in the end I didn't purchase the domain, the dinosaursforgirls.com domain from earlier. I have webtoolninja.com. I didn't want to buy a new domain for no reason, but most likely when you click this drop down it will only have one domain in there and it will be pre-filled with that domain. But if you've selected more than one, you select the domain which you want to install WordPress onto, click check domain, and it will think about this. It says this could take a couple of minutes. Generally it only takes, what was that, 10 seconds, 20 seconds maybe. Now you can just hit the install now button and it'll be perfect, it'll be good, it'll be fine. I do always like to click on the Show Advanced Options button, because this is where you can rename your site. You can select your username and password. You can choose different options, and obviously the password they give you is very secure: numbers, letters, uppercase, lowercase, all sorts of things, but it's not particularly personal to you and it's difficult to remember. So just type in what you want. I'll just pick something simple. This will be grayed out so you won't be able to see it, but I've just chosen a new password. I have read the terms and conditions, and then once you're happy with the information that you've chosen, the registration information, the login information, this green button that says install now, click that, and across the top here you will get a what's it called, like a progress bar. So it will say installing, and it will count up, and eventually it will say, yeah, you're done, well done, it's all done, and your new website will be in My Installs. This button here that says My Installs, click on that and you will get a list that says something like this. So this is WebTool Ninja, obviously, webtoolninja.com. Click on the button that says admin login, or click on the URL link and it will take you to your website. If you click the URL link, it just goes to the front page. But if you click on admin login, it takes you to your domain /wp-admin.com. No .com on the end, just webtoolninja.com/wp-login. You then can put in the username and the password, either the one that they provided to you, or if you selected to show the advanced options, you will need to put in the information that you chose to be your username and password. And then this is the dashboard. This is the inside, the back end of your website. So if you go to posts, add a new post is over here. It can be a little slow. There's a lot of information in the back end of a WordPress site, so it can be a little slow. This is, it says add new post. So I'll say, hello everyone. Oops, every tone for some reason. Hello everyone. Bloody bloody blah, blah blah blah. Hit publish, and that page will then show on your website. There's a new page called hello everyone. If you just want, there's a new post, sorry, called hello everyone. If you want to just create a new page, that's fine, then you can create an entire new page. This is pretty simple, easy, fairly easy to use. If you want extra sort of add-ons, with WordPress they are called plugins. You can add plugins to improve your search engine optimization, or to add social media buttons to your website. This is a comment, like an anti-spam sort of thing. There's hundreds and hundreds. Many of them you don't need. Depending on what you're doing, you might only need 2, 3, maybe 5, maybe 10, but you certainly won't need all of them. But they're additional functions that you can add to your WordPress site. So they're useful, helpful, very good. But that's it basically. If you want to then see the work that you've done, hover over here, you can click on visit site and it will take you straight to your home page. And that's it. You have a WordPress website. I'm going to log out. And I will ask you, if you found this video helpful and enjoyable, please give us a thumbs up. It really does help. It takes 2 seconds, costs nothing, but it really does help us out. So please give us a thumbs up. And if you find that you want to see more from me here at WebTool Ninja, click subscribe. That helps us out too, and you will obviously get all of our new videos as they come out, available for you to watch in YouTube. And yeah, hopefully it'll be of value to you. Thanks for watching, and catch you later.